let's send it through.
Roger that. Next crate coming up.
Check the seasoning levels on line 3.
Looks good, moving to tumbling.
This batch looks perfect. Send the next tray through.
A little further back. All right, drop it right there. Looks solid.
Watch the back of that pallet.
Got it. This one goes straight to the freezer, right?
Yeah, move quickly.
कि वोट्रेस अब किस नहीं सियात में और मोएनेस में यागलेक वहे वाले और जब तक जस्ट कुम पोही बेरन मेरे खे आपके भूलत को निसाब दी कार्ड
Make sure the seal is tight on these.
Okay, the date is clear right here. Looks fresh.
Perfect. Grab the thermometer.
Цениван скатит полгода, вот мол генеистов, нет, каталогу пиагов, как и пятый подтянь, и ссылочка, доция, сарки передает.
Here is your order, sir. Enjoy the chicken.
Thank you very much. Next in line, please.
I'd like the 3-piece combo, please.
Would you like that original recipe or extra crispy?
Here is your order. Enjoy your meal.
thank you so much. It looks great.
Here's your crispy chicken meal. Enjoy your dinner.
Here is the double bucket order, confirmed on your app.
Got it. Thank you.
This chicken is amazing. I know, right? The spice is perfect.
Can we get this again next week? Welcome to KFC. How can I help you?
I'll take the two-piece combo, please.
This chicken is so crispy.
Golden, crispy, and cooked to perfection. Experience the taste of KFC.
We need more breasts in the cabinet. Hurry up. Pulling a batch now. Coming through.
Experience the taste of our new crispy kernel sandwich, made fresh just for you.
Wow, listen to that crunch.
It is amazing. Pass me another piece, honey.
Experience the ultimate crispy chicken. Only at KFC.